Hello, I'm Pablo, creator of Dashman, and I'm very excited with what I'm about to show you. This is the first time I'm showing Dashman as a whole working. So here I have the installer. Let's get things started. Once it finishes installing Dashman on your system, it will automatically run it. And the first thing you have to do is create an account. Very straightforward. Your name, the organization you belong to, your email address. By the way, feel free to send me email if you want. I read and reply to all of them. Super secret password and register. It takes a little while because of the encryption, but here it is, Dashman as it starts the first time. There's going to be a tutorial here for you to learn how to use the system, and it will show you how to do each of these steps. So let's do this one, add a site. If you go to websites, you have an empty list of sites. Let's make these a little bit bigger and add a new site. Let's see, let's show our Twitter account. Yep, cool. So something else, the astronomy picture of the day. There it is, very pretty. And one more, what could it be? I know. The kitten of the, so pretty. Now, just for the demo, let's make them rotate much faster. Normally I would recommend 60 seconds or more for rotation, otherwise it's too fast. So let's go back to the to-do list. We already added a site, so now we're ready to start displaying sites. So you do that going to the file menu and clicking display websites. So as you see, it runs another window with Dashman, in which it will load and display the sites. Now, it may not seem like it, but what's happening is this window is asking the server, and the server is asking Dashman here to render that, encrypt it, and send it back, because this program could be running on another machine that may not have the same access. So now that this is running, there you can see it rotating. You can put it in another monitor, for example, if you have a multiple monitor setup, or in a corner or something like that, obviously of any size that you want. You can also run more than one. There we go. They display a random website, so if you have like 5 or 6, they're unlikely to be displaying the same one. And then the last step, if you want your computer to automatically display this whenever you're not using it, which allows you to glance at that information whenever you walk by, you can install it as your screensaver. This is done, again, this menu, install screensaver. Now, this is a little bit different because the screensaver is a different application than Dashman. It's like it's another computer. It doesn't know about your username and password. So what you need to do here is register this displayer. It's very easy. You have a code that you can see here, E2KKQ, and you just type here, E2KKQ. And you do this for every displayer that you would have in your organization. It doesn't matter whether it's a couple or 100. You do the same, you click register, and now there's a new tab here, displayers, that will show all the displayers. So you can see this is the name of my machine. You can see that this is a Microsoft Windows screensaver, and you can also see the public key. So if you're very security conscious, you can verify that the public key here matches the public key here. Looks about the same. So we approve it, and once we approve it, the screensaver is ready, and whenever it activates, it will show the same websites. And that's all. This is what I call Dashman 1.0 Alpha 1. It is not going to be released to public in any way because it has a few deep issues. There's a few things that don't work yet, but I'm going to work on that and produce Alpha 2, which is the first one that I'm going to start running on other machines to test and getting ready to release Dashman. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.